Hello, Sam here with jbugs.com. We're just about done with the welding repairs on our 1971 Super Beetle. And the last thing we'll do is repair some of the fender nuts for the front left fender. So, while we still have the use of my friend's shop, we'll get wrapped up here with one last video. Before we start, we'll make sure to say, wear appropriate protective gear, work in a safe and well-ventilated environment, and only perform work that is well within your capabilities. Cutting, grinding, and welding can all be dangerous, so make sure to use the necessary precautions. When we pulled off the front left fender, we have one of the fender nuts twist out during removal. This is fairly common, and fortunately we still have the nut. Also, the body isn't too damaged. So, we thread a bolt into the nut, and we tap it back into place into the body. Then we use a hammer and a chisel. We punch in all four sides of the sheet metal into the groove of the nut, and easily enough, this nut is ready to go. At the bottom side of the apron though, the original nut is long gone, and we don't have an original nut to put back in its place. So, after cleaning up the surface rust on the edge of the body, we drill out the hole with the unibit so we can attach a welded nut on the back side. We start by threading a stud into the nut to protect the threads from weld. Then we center the nut into the hole, and we weld the nut in place on the body. The stud is unthreaded. We smooth out the welds with a flap wheel disc on a grinder, and spray a rust converter onto the bare metal to protect it until we get the bodywork done. We hope you've enjoyed all the various repairs we've done in my friend's shop. We're going to get back to work on our chassis and get it ready for reassembly. And while we're doing that, we'll also be doing bodywork and getting the body ready for paint. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the like button below, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and when you need parts for your vintage VW, head over to jbugs.com.